This is for Boone. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it, boy. $50 size hail. Come on. I don't know why I'm acting like this, but I just got really excited. Wait, why is it not? What the heck?
For North Central.
There it is.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Winnebago County in north central Illinois, northern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north central Illinois, until 6 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rockford, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Only quarter-size?
Source, radar indicated.
Still an EAS, I don't care.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Beloit, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, Harvard, South Beloit, Brockton, Poplar Grove, Rockford Airport, Spring Grove, Candlewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Richmond, Sharon, Capron, Hebron, Timberlane, and New Milford. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 119 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 0 and 19. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Rivets Baseball, and Rockford Speedway. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois.
Yes, let's go. Boone County.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until...
I thought it would be $50 size because this thing. Whoa. See that? This might get updated to... I don't know how big that would be, but I'll make another video if I get another alert.